Hello friends, in this video we will be showing the second method for the microgreens and if you can cook the mustard plant. Make sure you watch until the end. For the second method we'll be using a tissue and I'm going to use methi seed
and I'm going to use mustard seed.
So now we have to drain it into the container.
Okay, so now that we've finished draining it, you're gonna spread it onto the tissue. You spread the mustard seed evenly.
And the methi seed.
You want to spray water on the tissue.
Remember to keep it covered in a dark place for the next 2 to 3 days.
And remember to spray it.
Let's check out the methi seed and mustard seed. Wow, look at those hands. Do you know what are those? Those are roots. Do you see those yellow leaves? Now you have to put it open. Oh, look at the methi seed. The roots are longer than before. Make sure to spray it with water. Can you see those leaves? The leaves are now fully grown and green. On the other hand, the methi seed still needs to grow.
Remember to spray it with water. In around a week, the mustard seed has been fully grown and is ready to harvest. Just like the mustard plant, the methi plant has also fully grown.
The cool thing about this method is that the roots will be always stuck on the tissue.
A lot of you have asked, can you cook the mustard leaf? And you can. In fact, you can cook any type of microgreen into any type of curry. Along with the mustard leaf, we have also added the moon